smart people. And what's the change?
Last month you said Iranian leaders were very rational people, nice people to deal with, strong people, smart people. Today you said they were nice people to deal with, strong people.
It knew what I needed and changed for me. Nasun shrugs a little. It's so hard to explain these things in words. Then she clutches at his shirt with her uninjured hand, because she knows that when Shafa doesn't answer a question, it isn't a good thing. The others, Shafa. He sighs finally. I'll help them prepare packs. Can you walk? Nasun's so relieved that for the moment she feels like she can fly.
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Hors d'oeuvres with the string, you gotta say.